Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can issue a sales invoice with a discount on QuickFile accounting software. To issue invoices with a discount, we need to go to Sales section and click Create New Invoice. Here, either add a new client or customer or type in details of your current customers available from your client or customer list. Invoice number will be automatically generated by system, and you can also add a purchase reference which customer have requested you to quote. Select an invoice date and also amend payment terms, so how many days you are giving this customer to pay for this invoice. Now we need to provide details. So firstly, let's add description of what you are want to issue invoice for. So for example, product 1 at 150 and 1 quantity. Also, if I sell service at service 1 and there is 100 at 1, then now how we can apply a discount. Either click on plus here and manually add details. So for example, I provide discount of 10% for this line. So I need to manually calculate how much will be discount 10% of 150 and add it on this invoice with minus sign. So minus 15, and then add another line for service, and for example for service I have provided discount of 20%. In that case I will need to enter minus 20 with 1. So now every line discount at the line levels have been added, and this is the way how you can add discounts on different if you have different percentage discounts, what you need to apply for different lines. Click on preview and send level, and this is how it will appear on invoice. However, if you have one set discount rate, there is easier way how to add that onto invoice. So let's delete these two discount rows, and for example, if you provide 10% to this customer, then add a discount at the top. So for example, I said 10%, and discount will be calculated for the whole total, so for the subtotal, and provided there. So when I click on preview and send, discount of 10% is provided here and calculated on a total level. You can send this invoice by email or flag invoice as sent. Plus you have a couple more options, including delete this invoice. So in this episode I showed you how you can add a discount either on line levels or on the whole invoice on QuickFile accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickFile tutorial and review of this software. If you have not seen these episodes, check it out.